Hello, Emudiaga Rukevwe is my name, and on this project, this is an Microsoft Excel-based analysis, and project on uh, is on sales data from different companies. So the data was presented by Quantum Analytics, and the period of observation was from 2019 to 2020. The goal of this project is to determine which part of the month or which sales representative generates the higher revenue. The top interest is on maximizing revenue in this organization. So first, we have to look at the total quantity ordered, and we found out that between the period examined, about 9,119 orders have been 9,119 quantities of products have been ordered so far, and a total revenue of 2.028 million have been generated. And on an average, each customer order about 5 quantities of items. Then over the period, the average revenue generated monthly is about 84,525, which shows that on a monthly basis, the company is expected to generate a revenue of about 84,500 monthly. So evaluating the sales revenue by month, we observe that the highest sales revenue have been generated in this company is in the month of March 2019. The data set was between 2018 and 2019. Then we observed that over the time, the trend have shown a decrease in the total quantity ordered, which thereby affects the total revenue generated by the company, showing that over time the company's total revenue is gradually reducing. Having understood this time series evaluation, we decided to forecast for the year 2019 and the year 2020. And the focus for the end of 2019, because the data set ended in October, so we forecasted for the month of 2019 December, 2019 November, down to September 2020, using the time series analysis model of the additive model of the time series equation. So by this forecast, we observed that in November 2019, the company is expected to generate a revenue of about $78,200. Then in December 2019, the revenue will reduce from 78 to 79, and down to September 2018, the revenue will reduce from 78,000 to 66,000 in September 2020, if proper action is not recognized. Then, in order to increase the sales revenue, we had to sort for the sales. We have to sort for the region that generates more revenue to the company. And from this analysis, we recognize that Texas, then Arizona and California generate more revenue with the proportion of 26%, 25%, and 25% again. Then generally, we can say that all regions generate equal revenue, because the revenue percentage generation just ranges between 24% to 26%. So going further, we tend to explore which of the salesperson tends to generate more revenue for the company. And we discovered that Anna Weber, Laura Larson, Ben Wallace are the top 3 salespersons that generate more revenue for this company. So if this company is looking forward to increasing its revenue, it should focus on utilizing the services of Anna Weber, Laurel Larson, and Ben Wallace in marketing its product. Now, in terms of evaluating the product that contributes more to revenue generation in this company, we found out that item 1 and item 5 generate more revenue to the company by accounting for about 36% for item 1 and 25% for item 5. And item 3 seems to produce very low revenue for the company. So by encouraging the company to employ the sales services of Anna, Laura, and Ben, we also advise the company to focus on marketing item 1, item 5, 2, and also possibly marketing item 4 by leaving item 3. Then more so, in order to understand which of our customer patronizes the company, which of the customers patronizes the company most, we evaluated the top 10 customers, and we understand that the company D, company S, company M are the top 3 companies that patronizes the items that are being sold by this particular company whose data is being analyzed. So thus, we recommend that these 10 companies, company D, S, M, N, I, J, E, B, Q, and H, should be focused on, should be targeted towards advertising the items of this particular company, and items 1, items 5, 2, and 4 should be advertised to this company using salespersons, most preferably Anna, Laura, Ben, and possibly Michael Fox. And thereafter, this company should be marketed evenly to all the regions at which it covers in order to build up the revenue that will be generated and advance the downward trend that is currently being experienced. Thank you very much.